In 2021, Samsung finally released a smartwatch with Google's Wear OS. The company is back with a sequel, the Galaxy Watch 5. There was a lot of excitement about last year's watch. Now, Samsung looks to refine the experience. There are two different models this year, the Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro. This review is for the 40mm Galaxy Watch 5. The Pro model has a larger battery and a more durable design, but the features are mostly the same. In terms of hardware, the standard Galaxy Watch 5 is made from aluminum, the Pro model is titanium. The bigger story, though, is the new Sapphire display. Sapphire is significantly stronger than the previously used Gorilla Glass displays. Theoretically, the Sapphire display should stay scratch-free forever, though it can still get cracked. Sticking with durability, the Watch 5 has an IP68 water and dust resistant rating and is MIL STD 81OH compliant. The water resistance goes up to 50 meters, making it a perfect swimming companion. This is a watch that can handle you day to day. After an average day of taking the watch off the charger around 8 am and using it without the display always on, I end up the day around 11 pm or 12 am with over 50% remaining. I could easily use the always on display feature and still make it through the day. The days where battery life struggles a bit more when I'm tracking activities. Tracking a run for an hour takes up a decent chunk of the battery, but I'm still able to make it through the day. You may run into battery anxiety if you are doing a lot of workout tracking, sleep tracking, and using always display on. In general, I give the battery life a passing grade. It's not what I would consider stellar battery life, but it's perfectly in the line with what I expect from most smartwatches. Samsung has also finally switched the charger to USB-C, which makes for faster charging and easier traveling. The Galaxy Watch 5 runs Wear OS 3.5 with Samsung's One UI 4.5 enhancements. Now that Google Assistant is finally available on Samsung watches, you are getting the best of Google, Samsung on one device. It's a nice blend of functionality.